This is the binomial distribution. So next class I will discuss with the binomial distribution expected frequencies. Okay. Today will be finished the mean and standard deviation, variations, and first moment and second moment. All this will be in the binomial distribution. Yes, please. Please note down one problem. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note down some problems. I wanted to upload, but this will be some, all are the mathematical values are okay. When a 7 kinds are tossed, please note down one example. Today 4-5 examples will be finished. When a 7 kinds are tossed, find the probability of getting number 1 4 heads. 4 heads and 6 or more heads, or 6 or more. First one, exactly 4 heads, and when a 7 kinds are, again I am repeating, when a 7 kinds are tossed, find the probability of getting exactly 4 heads. Number 1, exactly 4 heads and 6 or more. What is the probability of the getting chances of the 4 heads? And number 2, 6 or more heads. Here, first one. Okay, before that, here, what is the P? P is equal to 1 by 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Q is equal to 1 minus P. It means 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 minus P. It means it is equal to 1 by 2. If you want, you can write. That is 1 minus 1 by 2. It is equal to nothing but 1 by 2. So how many tosses are there? Total 7 tosses. So therefore n is equal to 7. Now P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to 1 by 2 because it is a coil. In case of the die, it will be 1 by 6 like this. This is the up to here. The first one, exactly 4 heads. The first case, exactly 4 heads. Therefore, X is equal to 4 or relative frequency is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Therefore, probability of X is equal to 4 is equal to getting of the 4 heads, exactly 4 heads arms. That is the n combination of X and P tour of X and Q tour of n minus X is equal to n 7 combination of X is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole tour of 4 into 1 by 2 whole tour of 7 minus 4. May I write this one? First slide.
Yes.
Sai Kaushik, Ritvik, Manasa, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
May I write first one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, first there are 2 questions are there. When a 7 kinds are tossed, what is the question? What is the probability of getting number 1 exactly 4 heads? Number 2 6 or more. 6 or more. It means the first one, just before that, P is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 minus P. It means that is a 1 by 2. So you got P value and Q value. N is number of tracks. That is a 7. So first one, X is equal to 4 because 4 heads exactly. So P is equal to X. X is equal to X. Probability of the getting, that is a 4 heads is equal to N combination of X and P total of X into Q total of N minus X. This is a binomial distribution equation. Therefore, N combination of 4 into 1 by 2 whole total of 4, X is equal to 4 and 1 by 2, 7 minus 4. So 7 combination of 4 is equal to, if you have scientific calculator, so can I again derive or can I do directly? I will do one time. 7 combination of 4. It means 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 4 factorial and 4 factorial into 1 by 2 whole total of 4 and 1 by 2 7 minus 4. Seven minus 4. So 7 factorial. Otherwise 7 combination of 4. If you see, if you have the scientific calculator, you can do directly 7 combination 4, we will get 35 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 7 minus 4. So this is the 3. So 35 into 1 by 16 into 1 by 8 is equal to 35 divided by
128.
128. So probability of the getting 4 chances are 35 by 18. 128. 35 by 128. It means 0.273. So chances of 0.273. If you convert it into percentage, 27.3 percentage chances are there. When there is a 7 coins are tossed, there is exactly 4 heads. If you want, you can write. When a 7 coins are tossed, there is a chances of getting 4 heads is 0.273 or equal to 27.3 percentage.
So we can leave it as 35.
Yes, sorry.
Can we leave it as 35 into a
Okay, no problem. When you are writing conclusion, better to the converted into percentage. Otherwise, up to 35 by 128. So that is nothing but it is equal to 0.27.3. So it means 27.3 percentage. There is a chances of the getting 4 heads when there is a 7 kinds are tossed. That is your conclusion. Next one, second one, 6 or more. 6 or more. It is correct. Second one. The first one exactly 4 heads. So what is the second one? Second one, what is the 6 or more? It means there is a 6 and 7. In this case, n probability is equal to n combination of x 1 by 2. I will do direct otherwise. You know already now. Here probability of x is equal to, that is a 6 and x is equal to 7. Here n 7 combination of 6 into 1 by 2, 7 minus 6 and 1 by 2 may I erase here?
Yes, sir.
May I erase here?
Yes, sir.
If you write, the place is not enough.
Yes, sir.
Erase, sir.
Oh. Six or more. Therefore, probability is equal to 7 combination of 6, 1 by 2, 6 into 1 by 2, 7 minus 6 plus 6 or more. So total how many trials? Total how many trials? Yes,
7, sir.
7. Therefore, 6 and 7. 6 or more. That's why after the 6 and 7. 7 is the total. Actually, the trials are only 7. Therefore, 6 and 7 plus 7 combination of 7. 1 by 2 whole tour of 7 into 1 by 2, 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 7 combination of 6. What is the value? If you have scientific calculator, you will get direct answer. 7 combination 6 is equal to 7 into 1 by 2 whole power of 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 64 into 7 minus 6, 1. So it will be equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 7 combination of 7, that is equal to 1. 1 by 2 whole power of 7. It is equal to 1 by 128. Here, can anybody tell? 1 by 2 whole power of 0. 7 minus 7, 0. So 1 by 2 whole power of 0 is equal to
1, sir.
1 by 2 whole power of 0 is equal to
1. 1, 1.
1, sir.
1 into 1.
Sir, the answer is 1 by 16.
Okay, let me solve. So 7 by 64 into 2. 64 into 2, 128 plus 1 by 128. So 8 by 128, I think. How you got 7 by 128?
Sir, it's 1 by 16. Like we'll cancel out 8 by 128.
Where, let me check it. No, 8 by 128 or what is the answer? 1 by 128.
8 by 128, sir. We'll cancel out 8 and 8, like 8 by
Okay,
120.
so is equal to how much?
1 by 16 in
1 by
in
16.
decimal.
1 by 16. Okay. If you make a simple, then 1 by 16. Or equal to what is the percentage? 1 by 16? 0.06. 25. It means 6.25 percentage. Finish? Finish?
Yes,
అయిపోయిందా?
yes, sir.
Okay. Next. A fair kite tossed 3 times. A fair kite is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of that will be appear. A fair kite is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of that will be appear. Number one. 3 heads. Number 1. Number 1, 3 heads. Number 2, 2 heads. Number 4, 0 head. Again, I will repeat. A fair kite is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of getting or find the probability of it appear. Number 1, 3 heads. Number 2, 2 heads. Number 3, 1 head. And number 4, question 0 heads. So, what is the n? N is equal to
3, sir.
3. Very good. P is equal to
1/2.
1/2. And Q is equal to
1/2.
1/2. The first one. Probability of getting 3 heads. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So, probability of x is equal to 3 is equal to n combination of x or r relative, no issues, into 1/2 whole power of x into 1/2 whole power of n minus x. So, here n is equal to 3. 3 combination of 3, 1/2 whole power of 3 into 3 minus 3. So 3 combination of 3, it will equal to 1 into 1/2 whole power of 3. So it means 8 into 1/2 whole power of 1. It is equal to 1/2. So 1/2, 1/16 answer. Correct or wrong?
Sir, 3
Sir,
minus
I
3
guess
will be 0, sir.
3 minus 3
Then
0,
that
sir.
would be
Yes,
1.
sir. It becomes 1, right?
1, 1. So it is equal to 1/8.
Yes, sir.
This is the first one. Please note, remember, these are questions you may be expected your NCP 3 as well as in final examination also. So today, most probably, I will start with the binomial distribution expected frequency, comparing with the actual frequency. Binomial distribution initially expected frequency compulsory one question will be there. So, did you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the next one? Second question. 2 heads. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 2. In this case, that is the n combination of 2, 1/2 whole power of 2 into 1 by 2, 3 minus 2. So 3 combination of 2 is equal to, what is the answer? 3 combination 2 will get 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 2 power of, it means 4 into 3 minus 2, it means 1 by 2. So 3 by 8, I think, answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, which is 0.375.
Okay, 0.375. Second one, this one. What is the third one? Marriage? First one. Marriage. Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, you wanted to say, you send some message. NCP3, all are the multiple choice only. How you will get answer when you solve? Kaushik. Naina, Kaushiku. Did you understand? If you solve answer, if you solve the problem only, you will get as a answer. So that is you have to take it.
Okay, sir.
Problems ఇచ్చేస్తే అందులో ఆన్సర్ ABCD ఉంటుంది. Then you have to solve and find the right answer. Theory notes also I will give you. So what is the next one? Kaushik, tell me what is the third one? Question number 3. In the 3 kinds are tasked where Px is equal to, what is that value? Kaushik, tell me. Rutvik,
1, sir. 1.
1. So here n 3 combination of 1. 1 by 2 whole power of 1 and 1 by 2, that is a 3 minus 1. So 3 combination of 1. What is the value? I think
3, sir.
6.
Same.
3,
3.
3 or 6?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3, sir. 3. It's 3.
Okay, I will check. 3 combination 1, yes, 3. So 3 into 1 by 2, I will write as 1 by 2. So it is by 4, I think. So 3 by 6, is it?
8, sir.
No, sir.
8,
It's
sir.
3 by 8, sir.
3 by
3 by 8.
Very good. Next one, I will write here. Fourth one, Px is equal to 0. So in this case, 3 combination of 0, 1 by 2 whole power of 0, 1 by 2 whole power of 3 minus 0. So 3 combination 0, I think it is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's 1.
3, I am also poor in mathematics. I am a commerce student. 1 into 1 by 2 whole power of 0. I think 1. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 1 by 2 whole power of 3. 3. It means 8.
So 1 by 8.
1 by 8,
1 by
sir.
8.
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Very good. It means 1 by 8.
Yes.
Now, next one is the little bit different. No. మీకు ఏ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇవన్నీ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యూ విల్ నాట్ బి ఫైండ్ ఆల్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇన్ వన్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. ఓకే, now still now we discussed about the kind. Now we'll discuss about the die. Then application in the industry, real application of the probability. With this, we will be close probability. Then binomial distribution, expected probability. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. A pair of dice thrown, a pair of dice is thrown 6 times. A pair of dice is thrown 6 times. If getting of 9 success, if getting of 9 success, if getting of 9 is considered as a success, if getting of 9 is considered as a success, what is the probability of getting at least 5 success?
Sir, can you repeat it once again?
A pair of dice is thrown 6 times. Six times. If getting of 9 considered as a success, what is the probability of getting 5 or more success? Better, otherwise it will be 5 or more success. Okay. Here, did you understand what is the question? Plus, can anybody explain what you understand this problem? A fair dice is thrown 6 times. Correct? 6 times, no? So therefore, n is equal to 6. So P is a success and Q is a failure. May I correct or wrong? May I correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the P value and what is the Q? Here, okay. The next one, at least to 9 as a considered success. It means when you are throwing the total equal to 9. How many ways we can do getting of the 9? If you throw the total, if you want to get that is equal to 9, how many ways we can do? One way. If you get 4 and next to 5, you will get 9 total. And
Sam 3,
3
sir.
and 6. Okay, before that, please, I will add one more thing. In dice faces 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the, for example, take as a dice. Okay. This is the one, second die, third die, fourth, fifth, and sixth. If I want to make total equal to 9, how many ways we can do? For example, 2 plus 3, 1. 1 plus 2 will not get 9. The total,
Sir, 4 times. 4 times.
how, that is the first one I will say. Probability that is equal to, P is equal to, that is the 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 9 will be get. Correct? 4 and 5. Next. 5 and 4. Then 3 and 6. 6 and 3. So anyways, other than this one, total. ఇవి కాకుండా ఇంకేమైనా ఛాన్సెస్ ఉందా ఈక్వల్ టు గెట్ 9?
No, sir.
No. So we will make 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 ways. So 6 into 6. How many times 6? Therefore 36. Therefore P is equal to 4 by 36. So 1 by 9 equal to, so P is equal to 1 by 9.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain once again how did we get 36?
6 now? This 36?
Yes, sir.
36. So in die, how many faces? 6. How many times we are throwing? 6 times.
Okay, yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
6. Now P is equal to, remember, P plus Q is equal to always 1 in the probability. Therefore Q is equal to 1 minus P. Any wrong? It means it is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. Therefore Q is equal to 8 by 9. Can you see here? Down. Can I write here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember, P plus Q is equal to always 1. Therefore Q is equal to 1 plus P or 1 minus P.
Q is 1 minus P.
1 minus P. So is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. P is equal to, already we got. P is equal to 1 by 9. So therefore Q is equal to 8 by 9. 1 minus 1 by 9, that is equal to 8 by 9. Note down. Finish? Finish now?
Yes,
There
sir.
is this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is that? How many? 6 or more? How many?
Sir, 5 or more.
5 or more. Okay. So 5 or more means that is therefore x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 6. Total 6 times in the 6 phases only in the die. Therefore, probability of that is a getting 9 chances are there. That is n combination. N is the how many trials?
6, sir.
6 are? Yes. Where is my problem? Okay, 6. Okay, before that, I will write here P is equal to 1 by 9 and Q is equal to 8 by 9. N is equal to 6 and X is equal to 5 and X is equal to 6. Therefore, probability is equal to that is N6 combination of 5 into 1 by 9 whole power of 5 and 8 by 9 whole power of 6 minus 5 plus 6 combination of 6 1 by 9 whole power of 6 into 8 by 9 and 6 minus 6. 6 combination of 5. I think 6 answer. ఎంత వస్తుంది 6
Yes.
combination of 5. 6 combination of 5 equal to 6. 6 into 1 by 9 whole power of 5. What is the value?
Sir, 59,049.
Otherwise, make it simple. Okay. To solve this one, simplify. Simplify this one. What is the answer?
Sir, 49 by 5,31,441.
Let make it a simple sheet. Is equal to 0 point or something will become.
Sir, it's 9.22.
9.22. 0 point?
No,
Yes.
sir, point.
What is the answer?
9.22.
How? Probability never get 9. Always less 1. Here 9 4 or 5, how you will get it? How you will get?
Sir, 0.00009, sir.
No. Okay. But she told me 9. How? That may be minus, it will be shown your sister. That one. In the calculator. Okay, I will give one example for you. Just to solve this one. With this, I will close. Then I will start another one. Can I give one example?
Yes, sir.
A pair of dice is thrown. A pair of dice is thrown 8 times. 8 times. A pair of dice is thrown 8 times. If getting of 5 is considered as a success, if getting of 5 as considered as a success, what is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting 4 or more? 4 or more. Can I repeat again? A pair of dice is thrown 8 times. If getting of 5 is considered as a success, what is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting 4 or more? So what is the p value? What is the q value? How many ways getting up the 5? 5 now considered as a 9 5 total. Rutvik, are you there? Rutvik, Manasa, what happened? No
Sir,
response.
sir, in physics we can only take L only 5, sir, because 5 is in different dice. Like 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 3 and
Yeah, that is a one way. 2 plus, otherwise, yeah,
We
you will get number of
think that
Yeah, we can take
four
alone 5
ways.
also. Like
5.
alone 5 because 5 is there in die. In previous sum 9 is there is no number of dice. 9 is not there on.
So we can't consider 5 and 0, right?
So shall we take 8?
No, sir, you cleared this doubt. No, it's like really confusing kind of thing.
So why confuse? You concern make as a 5 total. What is the problem? 4 and 1.
Yeah.
2 and 2.
No, sir. What I am saying is like 5 is there already in die, so we can take alone 5 without any other combination like 4.
Absolutely right. Yes, 5 you take along with 2. Why combination? Why 1 is the 5? I will tell you. First one we will go. First 1 and 4. 5.
Yes, sir.
Then 4 and 1. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Then 2 and 2.
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Sorry. 2 and 3.
And then 3 and 2.
Yes.
And then 5.
Yes.
That's it.
How many ways are coming?
5, sir.
5. I think one more.
No, sir. 6.
No, more. Let me.
Sir, 6, sir.
Huh?
6.
Let me, I will check it. One and 4, okay? 4 and 1. Then 2 and 2. Then 1 and 3.
Sir,
Sorry.
5 was
2 and 3.
2 and 3. No, this is not come. 1 and 4, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 3 and 2.
Sir, 5, comma 0.
5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Sir,
4,
can we take this 5, comma 0 and 0, comma 5?
5.
comma
But
0.
0 on diagonal. We cannot take that.
0
Right. Because there is no any combination. Fine. So therefore it will be equal to only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 only.
So that's the only doubt we had.
Yes,
Sir.
sir. Because at the same.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Because there is no any combination. Here the question is combination. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So 4. And 36. 4 by 36. Still time is there. Finish. Just I will give formulas. Please note down that one. There are some moments are there. I will give you.
So P is equals to 1 by 12, sir.
P is equal to 1 by.
12.
Okay, you calculate it now.
Okay, sir.
Just solve and tell me. Just I will give you. So can I take today evening also one more class? Just to please do yourself. Before that, I will give you some formulas in the binomial distribution. These are the important for the expected frequency. Constant of the binomial distribution. Mean. In the binomial distribution, mu it is equal to n and p or np. Number 2, standard deviation. Please no. Standard deviation is equal to root of npq. Third one. First movement about the mean. First movement about the mean is equal to 0. Fourth one. Second movement about the mean. Movement about the mean. NPQ. Fifth one. Third movement about the mean, that is NPQ Q minus P. These are the very important. NCP లో ఫార్ములాస్ అడిగే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. Mean
So what?
is equal to N into P. Standard deviation in the binomial distribution, root of NPQ. First movement about the mean, mu is equal to 0. Second movement about the mean is equal to NPQ. This is also called sometimes variance. And third movement about the mean, mu 3 is equal to NPQ into Q minus P. Yes, somebody wanted to say something?
Sir, what was the first one? First formula.
First one, mean. mean, NP. N, number of trans. P means success.
He wrote it as N into P and again he wrote or NP, so he got confused maybe. He also got confused.
What is the meaning? What is the difference? If I write N into P or NP,
Yes.
what is the difference? No difference, na? NP. So, next class we will start with that is next. You have class next 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I will continue. I need more classes. Otherwise, I will not finish. Okay, please wait. I will download alternatives. Okay. Anything else? You want to discuss anything?